Now, this is just a quick little channel filler video, and this is a bit of a public service announcement. This is a zip tie, and you've probably seen them before, and probably in movies, and giant versions of these used as cuffs. There's versions that have double locks on them and two straps. You use them as improvised or cheap handcuffs. My apprentice recently discovered what these are like, and you'll see the clip right here. You've been playing with zip ties.
Yeah, and I can't.
And watch your fingers there. So you can't get the zip tie off. This is your solution, is it? Okay, go on then. Move it further up the scissors. You'll get it off. And I think it needs something better than scissors. Here you go. It'll teach you to play with zip ties, won't it?
Yay!
There you go. Now, you can always cut these off. Everybody knows that. But these are good, strong nylon cuffs. And you see some bits, or nylon zip ties, rather. I'm getting stuck into the terminology of using cuffs when I really shouldn't. You see these videos online of people on how to get out of zip ties, and like by slamming their hands over the knees. That works all good and well with normal zip ties, but these good industrial ones, no, it does not. But if you happen to find yourself stuck in one of these sometime and people have neglected to cut the tail off them, you can use the tail itself to insert in underneath this little clip under here. It's a bit hard to see, but there's a little ratchet clip, and if you flex them back a bit, sometimes if you get everything in the right position, you can wedge that tail in under that clip and you can start to retract them, which is what I'm going to try and do here on camera and see if it works. So I'm going to get that under there, and we can start to reverse the zip tie. And this is how I've recycled them when I was in high school. I used to take zip ties off things and undo the clip. Now, you can't get them all the way undone, but you can certainly enlarge them more than enough to get them off your wrist. So, or if you need to get them off something else and you have no tools, whatnot like that. I thought that's a good little survival trick. And of course, the upshot of all of this is my apprentice now doesn't willingly put her hand inside zip ties when asked to do so, which I think is actually a very intelligent thing. Get another zip tie? Can we put that on you? Put that around your wrist? But you don't want to do that. Why not? What? Why not? Oh no. I don't think she wants to do that. Makes it a lot harder for somebody to pull a stupid trick on her, or for probably some of the more unthinkable things. So yeah, educate your kids early about what these things are. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video.